Hi and good evening. This is Angie with a screencast-o-matic of the website that I have been building, and I just want to take you through it and let you take a look and get some ideas from you on what you're looking for and things that you would like to change if you want to do that. So we're going to start. We're on the home page. We have your logo up at the top, and we're going to scroll down because with event services and rentals, you can turn your dream into reality. We've got some parallax going on here, and we go to event rentals and planning. Down to weddings, corporate events. And then here I have some questions about did you want a separate consultation, and then rentals, exactly what were you wanting to rent, to put a catalog online, and then your contact form with links to those. And I can change the naming on these buttons. I just put that in as a filler right there. And then we have information about the owner. And then finally our contact form. So we can go back home here as we do a little navigating, and we can click, and I've anchored it down to take you to services. Gotta work on the anchor a little bit. And then if we wanted to go to the contact form, we can scroll on down to the contact form. And then I have a section for booking online, and then we can set up, this is the area that I'm not sure, did you want to have a separate booking and then a separate rental place and then a page for your blog? I think a good idea for your blog would be to go with a gallery of different photos that you have, and also this will help you in your search engine optimization, having these photos in there. Looking forward to hearing some feedback, and let's go on back home to Guestbook Event Services.